Bose Wave Radio Sound Quality Solutions. Is your Bose Wave radio not sounding as great as it should? Don't worry. There are simple steps to restore its sound quality. Follow these solutions to enhance your listening experience. Adjusting volume. First, check the volume settings. Sometimes the sound issues are due to incorrect volume levels. Start by lowering the volume and then gradually increasing it. This helps in detecting any distortions or abnormalities. If the sound improves, maintain a moderate volume. Avoid setting the volume too high, which can cause sound distortion. Find a balance that works best for your space. Checking connections. Loose or faulty connections can impact sound quality. Inspect all cables and connections. Ensure they are securely plugged into the correct ports. Sometimes reconnecting cables can resolve sound issues. Check the power cable, audio cables, and any external device connections. If necessary, replace damaged cables with new ones. Proper connections are crucial for clear sound output. By following these steps, you can enhance your Bose Wave radio's sound quality. Enjoy your favorite tunes with crisp, clear audio. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe.